many.
I want to reiterate what I said during my acceptance address, that gone are the days when political cadres would take over the functions of a public service worker in a market, in a bus stop, in a government office and other places. Absolutely never again. Never again. Our administration will not allow such disorder, because you cannot grow the economy, you cannot create jobs, you cannot offer business opportunities in a disorderly manner like that, where people are afraid even to get to a bus stop, to jump on a bus, to go to visit a cousin, an uncle, or a nephew. You are free to use bus stops. You are free to trade in the markets. You are free to do that which you wish, of course, knowing that where your freedom ends, someone else's freedom starts. That's the way it shall be going forward. Our administration will ensure that sanity returns to all our places, all our communities. The days of government workers being retired in national interest for political or unfair grounds are over, completely over, because you are entitled to a job in the public service. Doesn't matter where you are born, it doesn't matter who your mother, your father is, because you did not choose. That is a natural phenomenon, which is an occasion that is determined by God and God only. So you will not be victimized for that reason. So those that were victimized along these lines, please provide the information, prepare to return to your work, because you deserve to be in office.